Product description: we've all heard about the health benefits of juicing and how effective green juices are. But with the plethora of juices on the market, which one do you choose? How do you even decide which is good for you? Organifi has been one of the best-selling green juice products for a couple of years now. With thousands of positive reviews on Amazon and a long line of happy customers. The official website is filled with reviews from repeat customers. It has excellent social proof. Canole, the founder of Organifi, recognized just how potent these green juices were. Rich in micronutrients that the human body needs, they also contain lots of antioxidants to keep nasty diseases at bay. The trend of juicing was bound to skyrocket. Since Drew has a show on his blog, fitlife.tv, he already had a following. His passion for health and wellness is obvious, and while big companies try to rake in the millions by creating a variety of juices that are less than healthy, Drew only focuses on green juice. This specialization is what makes Organifi a market leader when it comes to green juices. Drew places passion over profits, and he truly wants his customers to get healthy. These are just a few benefits of Organifi green juice: hassle-free and a time saver. No need to do the juicing yourself. Improves mental clarity. You'll feel much better and your health improves. Strengthens your immunity and wards off diseases. Makes your skin clear and healthy. De-stress and relaxes your body. Helps the body to detox. Contains no soy, gluten or GMOs. Vegans can consume it too. The good points: 1. The biggest selling point for Organifi is the convenience it provides. It can be a real hassle to go to the store, get the vegetables and fruits, wash and cut them, juice them, and finally, wash up all the utensils. That's a lot of time wasted. However,